Good morning. Myself Naveen. I'm working as a staff for 2 years from Sairam Autocraft. So today we are going to do a DY training on vehicles for how to remove the clutch cable and how to adjust the chain. So maybe this video will be helpful for many customers who own a Royal Enfield or any upcoming travels and through which they travel very much. So it will be very useful for them. You have to use 18 and 19 spanner to loosen the clutch. After that,
remove the rubber.
You have to remove the upper cover rubber.
10-12 spanner.
10-12 spanner.
And loose this one.
You have to loosen the bolt completely. If you remove a single bolt, everything will be removed, and the tug which we have put there, you have to remove the both. You can see there, right? You have to remove both the tags. And you have to press this one so that the upper part will be loosened up. You can see here. So it will be easy to remove the clutch from the, and you have to pull it to the downwards. That's it. So you have to remove the rubber from the head assembly. So it will be easy to remove the clutch cable. That's it. And this is how you remove the clutch cable, and again we will show you how to fix it in your vehicle.
And press this one.
Again you put the rubbers for the headlight assembly, and we have to attach the pin to the clutch yoke. And replace the rubber how you are received it. Removed and received. In the same way you have to tighten the bolt. And put the rubber again, dust rubber. And use the 18-19 spanner to again tighten up to catch the clutch. And after fixing the clutch cable, you have to put the tags which you have removed before. Make sure that you won't hurt your hand because the silencer will be in heat condition. Then you have to check for the free play. Once the clutch cable is completely hardened up, there is a chances of clutch assembly getting burned very soon. We have to keep the free play for 3 to 5 mm play. You have to use the 12 spanner and loosen that. You have to adjust the clutch through this LH cover only, not to the cable and yoke, because there is no option to the adjust over here. You have to adjust at the down itself to your clutch. You have to turn the steering to the left and check for the free play. Yes, this should be a free play, 3 to 5 mm play. At the straight and to the left side and both to the right. There should be a play. Why the free play is needed in the sense, during the traffic conditions, some of the customer would keep the clutch in a tight condition, ride it. Within 1 kilometer, 2 meters, there's a chances of clutch assembly getting burned. So you have to spend almost 3 to 5,000 rupees for that one, including clutch assembly and oil and all. So that's the reason we used to keep the free play. But some of the customers, they don't know because during the riding condition it will be little bit different to them. Some of them prefer half clutch because there's a chances of initial pickup will be more, but the future days the clutch assembly will be damaged. That's it. Most probably all customers ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇನ್ ಇದೆ ಚೈನ್ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ 1000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ಸು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7 days ಒನ್ಸು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೈನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ನೌಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ ತೀಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನ ತೀಚ್ ಇದು ಒಡೆದೋಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಅದು ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್
ಇದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಆಯಿಲ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೈನ್ ಬೇಗ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಥರೈಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಇವಾಗ ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ವೀಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ so you have to keep any cloth or brush again anti-clockwise you have to turn that wheel. You have to use the cleaner twice. You have to use the cleaner twice because in one clean it doesn't work. You have to clean it twice. And you have to check for the free play of the chain 12 to 15 mm. It's a chain lubricant. Why we apply the lubricant at the edges? Because there are O-rings inside there. That should get lubricated. Then only the chain, the latches should be bent. Suppose we are not lubricated on the correct part, the chain stays straight but it doesn't bend. That's it. Riding portion, the chain latches should be like 12 to 30 mm. The main stand will be like 25 to 30 mm. Because some of the customers may notice that when you start the vehicle, they'll keep the vehicle as a running condition and they'll find the chain is jumping from up and down. That is the free play. This is 25 to 30 mm play. If the person or passenger sits on the vehicle, the chain will get compressed and there will be a play for 12 to 15 mm.